Oops, if you have fallen victim to the thumbnail, you are not the only one. Before talking about a request, let's talk about what is a server. Server is nothing but a computer that serves you with information or a resource. Your computer can also act as a server if it is used to provide information or resource to other computers. What makes the actual servers used by any organization different from a normal computer is that the high storage and its efficiency. Also, these servers will be turned on 24/7 to serve all the users or computers. Okay, now let's see about request. What do you mean by a request? Request is nothing but asking for something. If I ask you to like this video and hit that subscribe button now, it means that I am basically requesting you to subscribe to my channel. As a nice human being, you should respond back by subscribing to my channel. Okay, now what is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What do we mean by a protocol? In simple words, protocol is nothing but a set of rules for communication between two entities. Let's take an example. Let's say A is dating B. While they are communicating with each other, they need to follow certain rules. A should say or ask something to B and B should listen. Then B should say or ask something from A and A should listen. Again A will say something. Now imagine there are no rules. A will be keep on talking and B is also trying to talk at the same time. What happens if both A and B are trying to talk at the same time and not bothering to listen what the other person is saying? Obviously, it will result in a breakup. That happens with computers too. That's why they have protocols. Coming back to HTTP, it is also a protocol but specifically for communication between two entities over the internet to exchange information in the form of images, videos, etc. There is something called HTTPS, which is also a HTTP protocol but used for secure communication. Now what is a HTTP request? Let's take an example. You are opening your browser and searching for facebook.com and the site appears in front of you. But there is a lot of process going behind. Firstly, your browser will find the IP address of the server of facebook.com. IP address is nothing but an address for computer systems similar to a roll number for a student or an address for a house. It is unique for each computer. As I said, a server is also a computer. It also has an IP address. Here, the process of finding the IP address is beyond the scope of this video. I will try to post a separate video on that topic. Once it finds the IP address of the server, it will send a HTTP or HTTPS request to the server of facebook.com. So what will it request for? Obviously the HTML page of facebook.com. So the server sends a HTML file of the landing page of facebook.com as a response. Your browser will then receive the HTML file and renders the web page for you. So to summarize, your browser is requesting an information from the server. In this case, it is the web page of facebook.com. Since it is happening over the internet via HTTP, it is called a HTTP request. And the server is sending back a response. In this case, it is a HTML file. And since it is serving or providing an information, therefore it is called a server. That's it for today. See you later with another amazing video.